With a web form, CentrixOne CRM enables you to easily capture information on your website and automatically match the data into the customer's file within your database. Let's learn how to create, integrate, and upkeep a web form similar to this one. Once you are logged into the CRM, navigate to the Forms module. Here are forms that I had previously created. To start a new form, click on the Add a Form button and give it a name. Within the form editor, in the Edit Mode tab, simply click and drag the fields you wish to have in your form. To rearrange the order in which the fields appear, hover over the field, then click and drag over the 3-line icon. To remove a field, click on the X icon. To further customize a field, click on the gear icon to bring up the edit window. In this window, we can modify the name of the field. Choose if we wish for the display title to be shown or hidden. Change the font color. Add a background color. Hide the field. Make the field mandatory. And determine the width of the field. For the first name field, let's go with half width. We'll also make that field mandatory. We do recommend adding an asterisk to the name of the field to highlight the fact that a field is mandatory. Once ready, click Save. We can now observe the changes we made to the first name field. Let's go ahead and make our other fields mandatory, and half width as well. Be sure to save your progress. The Save button at the bottom of the form is part of the form that we are designing. This will not save your work. To save, click on the top right Save button. Now let's go back and take a look at the form we are using as our inspiration. We have created the first 7 fields, and now are missing the last 3. Back in the form editor in the CRM, the fields we have dragged and dropped so far have been part of the basic information fields. Those are the standard CRM fields. For fields that are more specific to your business, be sure to have them created as a contact or account custom field prior to building your form. Those fields will be available in the Custom Fields section here. Let's add them to the form. In the next step, we'll navigate to the Specifications tab. Here, we can further customize the form, as well as the button colors and label. Most importantly, here is where we can decide which list the information entered in this form will be available in. For example, if this is a Contact Us form hosted on our website, we can create a list called Web Prospects. And any contact who fills out this form will be created in the Web Prospects list. Here, we can navigate through the form and see the different drop-down answers. We can also test the form. If no information is entered and I attempt to save it, all mandatory fields will be highlighted in red. To integrate the form to your website, simply navigate to the Export Form tab and copy-paste this HTML code into your web page. If changes need to be made to the form down the road, come back to the Forms module and carry on the changes. Once you save, the form will automatically update. The code does not need to be copy-pasted again. We do recommend clearing your web browser's cache and cookies to view the changes. In the last tab, we can personalize the confirmation message a contact will receive once they have submitted the form. We can choose to add a short message, for example, confirming that their request has been received, and a member of your team will be in touch within 24 to 48 hours. You can take your web forms a step further with CentrixOne's automation module, and automate task creation or email notifications once a form is submitted. And that's it for a short overview of how to create a form. Talk to us for a demo, or further training, or visit the CentrixOne Academy for more detailed guides and videos.